Hello, everyone, and welcome to Stations Day. We have a really fun day set for this asynchronous lesson. We are going to do some really cool stations that Miss B and Mr. Kelly put together for you guys. They have great exercises, a couple of dance breaks, and even some really fun costumes for you during your stations. As you finish up your stations, you will go to the next slide, which is your cool down stretches. We'll do some cooling down, bring that heart rate down, and start to bring those muscles back to their resting state. And as you finish up your cool down, we will go to a great mindfulness and breathing exercise from Go Noodle, one of our favorites. We do to calm down, cool down, and breathe to finish up our lesson. Hope you enjoy your station today. Work hard, have fun, and I will see you in our next Zoom lesson.